What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the R44 workshop. Today we are with the latest MHC products. So this is the MHC GT front lip for the F80, F82 and F83 car. We're just going to show you briefly how it's installed and a brief look over the car, the splitter. So let's look at it first. It's a full pre-preg product, so it's backed by the 3-year warranty from MHC and a fitment guarantee. As you can see, it's a quality piece of kit. Utilizes some original fixings along the back. We've then added some extra ones, what MHC have, some self-tappers, and then a bit of tape. You know, it's a big lip. It's going to go on a fast car. It's going to get downforce against it. It's going to want to kind of pull down to the floor. So we're going to reinforce it, make sure it doesn't come flying off. Other than that, there's not much more to say than what a beautiful piece of carbon it is. So yeah, let's get the car up in the air and show you guys how it's installed. Right, so first of all, there's some 8mm fixings along the bottom here that hold this rubber stone guard in place. So just remove those with an 8mm socket and put them aside. So we're just briefly going to go around. There's 3 on each side. Take those off, and also those fixings along the middle here. Remove those for the time being, and just remove all 8mm fixings along the front of the car. I'm going to do that quickly, and I'll catch you back here. So we're now here. The car is up in the air. The 8mm bolts are removed and put to one side. The splitter, I'm just prepping it. So the adhesive tape, just remove about 3 centimeters from each edge. Just get in there and remove the protective layer. Do it from both sides here. Do this little bit. I'm going to take those off. And then peel this back. This way you can maneuver the splitter, get it in the right position before you stick it in place. But prior to that, grab some of panel wipe or anything along those lines, spray it on a dirty rag or a clean rag, and clean the bottom side of your car. In particular, the areas where the 3M tape is going to adhere to the body line, and anywhere you don't really want to fit a brand new part to a dirty car. It's just not fun. So yeah, give it a good shine up, make sure any ceramic and anything else is removed. That way the tape actually works as it should do. Anyways, so let's get up and underneath the car. First of all, you grab your friend, let him grab the other side, or they. Slide it in underneath the black part. Make sure your tape's tucked underneath so it's accessible. And you can see already how beautiful this splitter is, how it meets the concave, so you can install it with the M Performance ducts. Design around those as well as it runs without. And like so. So it's looking good. What we'll start off with first is we could start by installing some of the original fixings, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the edge first. So I'm going to grab my screwdriver, my electric screwdriver, a couple of screws. I'm going to screw in one edge, go to the other side, get them parallel, and then work back through. So we'll catch you there in a second. So we're just going to line that up. Using your self-tapper, put one through, and look how beautiful that is there. So now we're going to go on the other side, match it up, and then we'll work back through the middle. So again, that's it. So that's installed. That's the same as the other side. And you can see this starts matching up really nicely. Look how beautiful that is, Dylan, underneath there. Bar my stone chip. This is a race car. Wink, wink. Or just a little beauty. So now we can go in there. We can remove these. It's adhesive tape. That would adhere to there. We'll do the same on the other side. And then now go through and replace all the original screws first if you want. And then go back through and put the self-tappers in. And then last of all, we can remove this now actually. It's in the right position and you can stick that up like so. So you can see it just looks beautiful. So give it 2 minutes, we'll put all the screws in and we'll drop it down and see what it looks like.